guys, what are you holding?
Knife.
It's not a knife, darling. How about you, kuya? What's that?
Yung rake. Bato rake.
Rake? Okay. Sa UMGM sa mana?
It's a shovel.
Shovel. Okay. Magunsa man mo ron?
We're going to plant.
Okay. So that's my boy. Marunong siya talagang makaintindi ng Bisaya. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng ibenta sa mga Bombay. You know how to, bebe? You know how to speak Bisaya?
Yes.
Can you give me some Bisaya words?
Imong now.
Imong now. What?
See?
What?
Why are you so baho? Because wala ka pa naligo.
Oh, that's not Bisaya, darling. That's Tagalog.
Tagalog yan ah.
Taga lang. Wait lang muna kasi we have to wait for Dad. Daddy, we're ready to plant. Come here.
Mommy.
Kuya and MJ are ready to plant.
Hey, Mommy,
So, ito yung seedlings natin. Yung seedlings natin, no? Ito yung aloe vera yung itatanim namin ngayon. With the two helpers of Mommy. Kuya, what are we doing today?
Planting aloe vera.
Planting aloe vera. So, ang assignment ni Kuya is to dig and then I'll be the one to plant. Okay. So, ito yung mga aloe vera itatanim namin ni Kuya DM. Madali kasing patubuin yung aloe vera. And then, marami din siyang gamit. Pwede siyang gawing skin moisturizer. Pwede rin siya sa hair. Meron na kami, may mga hair fall. And hindi siya alagain. Okay? So that's our first aloe vera. Next. Ano kuya? Makadami na si kuyang dig ng hole. Ito, ang liit nito. Okay. Parang layo yata niya na. Malayo masyado yung space. Okay. May tatlo na kami, Daddy. Si Daddy pala yung taga-video. Tigas na. Tapos kasi maraming bato. Ano bato? Ah! Magdig ka. Ayan, mga ganyan ka lalim. Huwag mo anuhin yung soil. Ayan, magdig ka. Ganito o ganito.
Ate, nabasa ako.
Maraming ano eh.
I don't want to use the shovel, but you can use it. And actually, it's kind of fun digging.
Oh, it's kuya na lang. Give it to kuya. So, Bunny, how's your morning? So, today, bababa muna kami ng bundok para magsimba. Buti wala ng ulan, pero the sky is still dark. Daddy, wake up! Tulog pa si Dad ngayon. Let's go down. Let's see what happens to our aloe vera kasi ang lakas ng kagabi, hangin at ulan. So parang roughly I planted mga 25 pieces of aloe vera. Dito lang sa paligid ng kubo number 3. Ayan, so this is the result of what we have planted yesterday. So madami-dami din siya. Okay, ayan. Then paikot siya doon para pag dumami, mas magandang tingnan.